Hello and welcome back. We are in module 10 and we are learning how to write various kinds of logical conditions using if, and, or, and other statements. So in this particular session, we are going to learn how to create a multi-layer sales incentive structure. So here is the multi-layer sales incentive structure that we are going to consider for this particular tutorial. And there are 4 parts to this. So 4 layers. The first layer, which is the primary incentive, is based on a salesperson overall achievement. And that is exactly same as what we learned in our previous session to create a simple sales incentive structure. So you already know how to calculate that. Now the other conditions can vary from company to company. But once you learn this, you will be able to write any logical conditions for the incentive structure. So let's see what is booster 1. Booster 1 is for selling focus products. Company wants you to sell, say, some new products or promo products, or they want you to sell out some aging products, and for that they are giving you incentive, and they have a focus products sales target. So the eligibility criteria to get this commission is that you should have achieved at least 90% of your overall sales target, and you should have achieved at least 80% of your focus product sales target. That means you have to use the AND condition here, because both these conditions needs to be satisfied. And if the salesperson does that, he gets 3% additional commission on the focus products sales amount. Next booster is for getting timely payments from customer. And what are the eligibility criteria? Number 1, you should have achieved at least 100% of your overall sales target. Number 2, not more than 5% of the payments for that particular period should be overdue more than 60 days. In other words, 95% of the customer payments for sale done in that period should have been received in less than 60 days. So if these 2 criteria are satisfied, then the salesperson gets 2% commission on what? He gets 2% commission on the payments received within 30 days, not all payments. So let's see how to write that. It is easy and we'll see how to do that. And the last booster, which is team achievement. Company is promoting teamwork within sales team, and they want to make sure that everybody achieves, or at least the overall team target is achieved. Eligibility criteria to get this additional commission is the individual salesperson should have achieved his overall achievement, minimum 100%, and the overall team target should have been achieved. That means, let's say there are 5 salespeople there. Total team target is $500,000, and as long as the company achieves $500,000 for that particular period, irrespective of whether all the salespeople have received or not, then it is considered as 100% overall team target achieved. So if the salesperson has achieved his individual target and the total team target as company has achieved, then the salesperson gets 1% commission on his actual achievement. So let's see how to write these conditions.